Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum my dear students. This is Miss Arusa Salim and I belong to Peshawar Model School System. My dear students, today I am here and I would be explaining you the foundation booklet course for level 4 and level 5. As all of you are well aware of the fact that this is the beginning of the new digital academic session 2021 to 2022. This foundation booklet course is designed in such a way so that you can utilize your time at home in a fruitful and positive manner by performing different innovative and creative activities. As all of you know that this time the government has employed single national curriculum across the country, so our booklet is also designed in such a way that it will cover all the major aspects of the basic course. So now let's have a start. Okay dear students, now let's begin with the foundation booklet course. I will be explaining to you all the activities one by one. So first, starting with the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the beneficent. Whenever we start a work, we should start it with the name of Allah Almighty. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After that, in the initial pages, there is a small note for the parents, both in English as well as in Urdu. This is a note for the parents that how can they utilize this home learning time for their children in a positive way so that the students learn in a maximum way. Okay, so now as you can see that these guidelines are mentioned in Urdu. वालिदैन के लिए उर्दू में भी गाइडलाइंस दी गई हैं कि किस तरह वो बच्चों का टाइम यूटिलाइज़ कर सकते हैं घर में, उनके लिए टाइम टेबल डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. Now there are some other guidelines for the parents that there are different learning styles for the students, and this online learning, this home-based learning is the newly introduced technique. So how the parents are able to design a timetable for their children so that they can balance their playing time as well as their homework time. After these guidelines, we are introducing the religious language of Muslims. Dear students, as all of you know that Arabic is our religious language. This language is being chosen by Allah. Even our holy book, the Holy Quran, is also in Arabic. So that is why it is compulsory for all of us that we should have a basic know-how of this language. Some basics are discussed here. On the first page, as you can see, there are days of week in Arabic. There are 7 days in a week, and all of these days are mentioned along with their names in Arabic. YouTube reference link is also present here. You can type this link in your browser and this video will open for you for your further guidance. After that, on the next page, you can see that there are fruits in Arabic. The names of 3 fruits are already mentioned here, that are grapes, guava, and banana. The third one is colors in Arabic. Different colors are given to you such as red, purple, grey, blue, pink and yellow. The names of these colors are already mentioned in Arabic language, and the YouTube reference link, as I have mentioned before, is also given here for your guidance. The fourth one is counting in Arabic. As all of you are well aware of counting in English, counting in Urdu, counting in Roman language as well. But this time, counting in Arabic has been introduced for all of you from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now coming towards your weekly tasks, dear children, as all of you know that there are 4 weeks in a month, and this course has been designed for you for the month of May. In these 4 weeks, the task has been split up accordingly so that you can utilize these 4 weeks with different creative activities. First, we will discuss with week number 1 of May, which starts from 3rd of May to 9th of May. So let's start. On Monday, you are going to find out the information about any 8 Muslim countries of your own choice. The points which you have to collect about these countries are their flag, currency, language, location, famous place, landmark and famous food. And after that, you are going to attempt a worksheet which is related to this task. On Tuesday, you have to watch a video which will be showing the steps of wudu. A link is given over here which you can type it as it is on your browser, and this video will open for you. But I have a more simple technique for you, which is the barcode technique. How to use it, I am going to explain it now. Now my dear students, I will explain you that how you are going to use the barcode scanning through your mobile phones. For this purpose, you can easily download the barcode scanning app from Google App Store. So first of all, you are going to click on this app. As you can see, the scanner is initializing. Now just you have to simply hold your smartphone in front of these barcodes and it will open the concerned link for you. Now as I have told you, these are the videos which are related to steps of wudu, and this YouTube app has automatically opened by scanning the barcode. On Wednesday, there is an activity related to art and craft. All the materials which you will require are already mentioned here, and then you have to prepare a project. On Thursday, once again, you have to explore a website and get useful learning materials. Once again, the barcode is already mentioned and I have explained you the method. As Friday, you know, this is the holy month of Ramadan, and on Friday you should perform maximum religious tasks. So you have to recite the Durood Sharif as much as you can, and after that help your mother in the kitchen and write the recipe of your favorite dish. On Saturday, this is fun time for all of you. You can plan a trip to your grandparents and visit them with your family. Moving towards the next week from 10th of May to 16th, on Monday you have to promote literacy as a family activity. Now what you have to do, choose a book of your own choice and read it along with your siblings and discuss with them that what you have learned from that activity. On Tuesday, you have to make recyclable binoculars. The link is already given here along with the barcode as I have mentioned before. On Wednesday, you have to watch Flowers of Islam with your family. This is a video which you will watch on YouTube, and after that you will discuss with your family that what message you have learned. And on Thursday, again, you are going to watch a video. The link is mentioned along with the barcode, and then you have to attempt a worksheet which is related to the bubble map, and the key points are also mentioned here. On Friday, as I told you, that is a holy day, so you have to perform religious tasks. You have to memorize a new surah, pick 3 names of Allah and share it with your father. On Saturday, you have to do something creative. You have to make a list of your Eid shopping, and then you have to discuss it with a friend that whether or not you like Eid shopping or not. Let's move towards the third week. On Monday, you have to improve your vocabulary and your speaking power. On Tuesday, you have to write some interesting and attention-grabbing questions. There might be some curiosity in your mind. There might be some interesting questions. You have to pen it down on your worksheets. On Wednesday, again you have to watch a movie, Clifford's Really Big Movie, with your family. On Thursday, again it's art and craft time, and you have to make cool art projects and stuff with your hands. The link is mentioned here. On Friday, you have to recite 1 page of the Holy Quran and memorize 1 new surah. And on Saturday, you have to explore different countries. You can take the help of different books, you can take the help of internet and know the culture and religion of different countries. Moving towards the last week, that is week number 4, in which you have to prepare a short presentation from any of your course related topics. On Tuesday, once again, it's movie day. You can watch an interesting movie, that is the Kung Fu Panda. And you have to discuss that what lesson you have learned. On Wednesday, again, you have a small and simple experiment related to science which you can easily perform in your kitchen. On Thursday, once again, this is art and craft which you will learn with the help of a video. The link is already mentioned. On Friday, you have to go to a person that might be from your family or from your neighbors, and you have to interview a person who has already performed Hajj. And on Saturday, you have to plant trees in your surroundings. These are the related worksheets. All the tasks which are given to you along with their worksheets are mentioned here. As you can see, here you have to write down the steps of making binoculars, and you have to paste the picture of your project. So all these projects along with the worksheets you will attempt here in neat and clean handwriting. Now I want to give you some general information about CPAC. As we know that China is our friendly country and we have good relations with China. So there is a project which has been started in Pakistan under the name of CPEC, which stands for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Some introduction about CPEC is given and how it will be beneficial for both the countries regarding trade and commerce, regarding employment, etc. The map of Pakistan along with CPEC highway maps is given. Now this is the most important point, dear students. At the end of the month, there is a self-evaluation checklist. You have to take all the points which you have done in this whole month honestly, whether you have followed all the instructions or not. So this is your self-evaluation checklist, and after that, the last page is for teachers' use only. The teacher is going to check your assignment and then he or she will give their remarks accordingly. Thank you so much, dear students. I hope you would be safe and healthy in your homes and utilizing your time.